Hi, hello, welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. Now we are going to see the new product, that is 48 volt 800 watts BLDC motor kit. Okay, this is the unboxing activity of for 48 volt 800 watts kit. So these are all the components that will present inside the box of 800 watts kit. Now I am going to show each and every product. Okay, first thing will be the DC BLDC motor. Is coming with the specification of 48 volt 800 watts and 450 revolution per minute. The current rating will be 15.6 ampere, coming with our Kathon brand. Okay, it is showing DC 48 volt 800 watts. Okay, coming with our Kathon brand. So second thing will be the brushless controller. The brushless controller, here the voltage will be 48 volt, current rating will be 35 ampere, and the power will be 800 watts. So this is the controller unit for this motor. Second thing. Third thing will be the throttle with horn switch. Okay, full speed throttle with horn switch. Okay, third accessory. Fourth will be headlight, coming with battery level indication, power on off switch and headlight. Okay, all the indications are coming with horn. Inbuilt horn will be there. There is 3-4 functionality: headlight, power key switch, battery level indication, and power on off indication, headlight indication. Okay, all the features are coming with this headlight. And for this, the clamp for fitting. Okay, and also the wiring kit is coming along with this kit. 48 volt 800 watts wiring kit, and this box connector to connect the controller and the motor. Power input also we can give in this connector. Later on we can showing you the video and to check how much RPM should be achieved. You can continuously watching our video in the fully, so then only you can understood the motor speed and the performance. Okay, this is the sprocket which is connected to the chain in the back side of the two-wheeler. Okay, you can connect this sprocket, and this is the chain assembly. Okay, this is the chain. This is the chain kind of assembly. This is the whole cover. We can't open this. So this is the accessories kit. So only this kit is available along with this our complete unit. So if you want, we have 2 additional accessories. So if you want, you can buy it extra. That I will show it now itself. The first thing will be the Keisai brand and fully speedometer. So this is our Keisai brand speedometer. If you want, you can buy it an additional. So this is not included in the kit. This will be cost extra. If you are WhatsApp, we can tell you the price price details of this speedometer. Okay, this speedometer. And many people are asking for the charger. Charger will be the extra of this kit. So this is the 48 volt 20A charger unit. If you want, you can buy it extra, these 2 accessories. So this is the input. You need to connect this imported product, so it is coming the Indian charger type is not available. You can use one adapter to convert it into our Indian plugs. So you need to one adapter you should buy accordingly. So this is the input and this is the output. You need to connect with the lithium battery or lead acid battery to the input, and indications will be there. There is one DC fan output will be there. If the heat exhaust, it will blow out all the heat air present inside the charger. 48 volt 20 Ah. This is the charger unit. So if you want, we can buy it and extra cost of this thing. Okay. So this is the complete accessories that we are doing. If you want, you can contact us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. So we have seen the previous the unboxing of the components present inside the 48 volt 800 watts BLDC motor kit. So now we can going to demonstrate and how to connect all those connections. We can explain you clearly, and later on we can so power on and we can test the motor according to the speedometer connections. So now we can watch the video fully, so then only we can understand how this motor kit is working fine. Okay, so first we can explain how the motor connections are made. So from this, the BLDC motor 48 volt 800 watts, is the wire coming out from the motor. There is two set of connections. There is a 5 terminal connector. This is the controller connection, the motor controller connection. So this is going to this is the connector. You can match with the connector and you can insert into that particular connector. So if you want to connect an external connector, it will not match, where this connector is suitable for only these pins. Okay, so this is the first connection. Then we can have 3 set of wires, that is blue, yellow and green. From the controller we have also 5 set of that is a heavy wire is coming out, that is blue, yellow and green. You can connect accordingly, blue to blue, yellow to yellow and green to green. Okay, and the remaining 2 wires are used for power supply. So this is for red will be the supply 48 volt and this black will be the negative. So this blue wire we are giving the first, the tape wire will be the positive and this wire will be the negative. Okay, you can clearly understood. This connector you should to connect this wire between motor and controller and the supply. Okay, understood. This is the connector from the controller control connections, this wire, and this will be the blue, yellow and green color connector coming out from the motor. So this is the motor and controller connection. Okay, these wire you can leave it out because the for the video we are not using. Once you connect with your two-wheeler, then you can use those corresponding wires. So the second thing will be the throttle with horn switch. Okay, throttle with horn switch, we have 2 set of wires are coming out with this yellow color connector. This is white color connector, that is red, black and green. Okay, from this throttle, red to red, black to black and green to green. Okay, you can properly fix this throttle because for the acceleration this 3 wire is important. Okay, and the remaining will be the yellow. The yellow is connected directly to the headlight. To the blue we have 2 wires. From the blue it is connected to yellow of the throttle. You can exchangely you can connect a positive to positive. There is no polarity for this yellow connector. Okay, you can connect accordingly. And for this we have red and black. Red will be the supply and black will be the ground. Okay, negative. Okay, red to positive 48 volt and black to this black to ground. Okay, and this green wire you can connect to controller. There is one wire is coming with the green color pin in the top. There is red wire. You can connect this green to red and we can parallelly connect the 2 connections. This connection is going to meter 48 volt. This green is for key switch. Okay, this green wire is for key switch, and once we can switch on, then only the supply goes to meter. Okay, we can switch on only, then the meter will get turned on. So for that purpose we have meant for 2 connection. for the supply. Okay, so this is the headlight connection. This white color wire you can leave it out. Okay, this is for indication. I think the you can leave it this, later on we can discuss. And this is the speedometer wire. This red wire goes to the red wire from the controller, that is supply. From the power key switch now we are having two outputs. You can connect the red in that speedometer, red to this connector. Okay, and green to negative, green to direct negative. Okay, green to negative. Okay, and black will be the output. It is directly connected to green wire. It is directly connected to green wire from the motor. Okay, so this is the three connections we have made with speedometer. So now we can turn on the power unit and we can test the motor. Corresponding RPM will be shown in the speedometer. Okay, now let's go into check. Okay, first thing you need to turn on the power key switch. So we get an battery indications along with power key indications. There is two step will be there in that key switch. First key switch, if you on, this indications will be there. If you are on for second key switch, the headlight will be power on. Okay, and the indications will be here. If you turn off, the indication will be off. If you turn on, indication will get turned on. Once we can get, see in the display you can see, once we can turn on, then only the display gets turned on. So for the connection we have made two interlink wires. Okay, so we can turn on this thing. And coming to the meter, this is the fully speedometer, full digital meter. It is coming with KSI brand. So here we are indicating the speed in kilometer per hour. So this is the battery level, also you can indicate in that particular meter. And this is the voltage, and this is the how many kilometers totally you can driven. It is clearly indicate. Not only this, we can have left and right indication, headlight indications, and the parking indications. Everything will be available in this one meter. If you are purchasing one meter, you can utilize those meter. Now we can going to accelerate the throttle and we can see how many kilometers are getting in real time. Okay, so this is the throttle with horn switch. We are given the horn. So this headlight having an inbuilt horn attached to this headlight. So we can turn on this. The horn will turn on. Okay. So now we can accelerate the meter, throttle. See, the motor is getting rotated. You can see the RPM is slightly rising from the digital speedometer. 20 kilometers is going. 27, 28, 31, 36, 40, 43. So maximum 50 kilometers achieving. 50 kilometers we are achieving from this BLDC motor kit. 48 volt 800 watts BLDC motor kit, we can achieve 50 kilometers maximum. So this is the maximum no load speed. You can see the RPM. RPM will be maximum, we can get 450 revolution per minute. So we can accelerate. We can slowly do the acceleration. The kilometer is being reduced. Okay, once again I am raising the accelerator. Okay, 49 we are achieving. slightly reduce. Okay, so this is the connections we can clearly explain. So don't mistakenly did the connection. So many of the people, if you are buying from us or from outside, you can make use of the video. Kindly share this video to your friends, your relative peoples. If you are having your vehicle with seized engine, that is present the oldest vehicle in your household application, you can convert it into a fully electrical, because this is the medium budget. Everyone should afford this kit, and you can enjoy the riding with this fully electrical kit. The basic you can use it for the farmers and the low class people also. You can enjoy this by purchasing this BLDC motor. So this is coming with 800 watts, so that is the specialty of this kit. So most of the peoples are buying 750 watts in the market, so that is the very low quality accessories they have made. So here it is coming with Ketan brand. So for the customers, those who are purchasing from us, we are giving some warranty kind of things. So don't worry for that. You can make use of the connection, and it will be helpful to connect with your two-wheeler. You can do it by yourself or with the help of mechanic. You can do and assemble this kit. This is used for fully electrical, like Excel Super or Heavy Duty or Splendor. You can convert it into a fully electrical. Okay, this video will be helpful to us for the connection, and also real time example I am showing how much kilometer will be driven, the proof of buying those kit. Okay, so kindly contact us if you need the kit. Kindly contact us, Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions. In the top we have given on WhatsApp number. You can kindly message us to that number. Our sales team will coordinate and for the buying kind of activities. Okay, so kindly subscribe to our channel. Kindly share this video to your friends, relatives, so then only we are interested to update the products in the future. Okay, so kindly support our channel to grow many peoples for the connections kind of activities. So if you want, you can contact Sri Electronics and Embedded Solution. Thank you. Thanks for watching.